Good morning!
Hi.
May mga tinawag pa patatas. Try natin tong madumi ngayon.
Abby and Ariel and Sophie was together.
Buti may natira pang kiwi. Hi love! Papunta nga ulit tayo sa free pantry ngayon. Ayan, may dala na akong eco bag. Tingnan nyo naman, walang katao-tao dito. Ayan. Pero feeling ko sa pantry may tao. Hello! Ayan, papunta na tayo. Naglalakad na tayo. Ayan, may kumuha sa pantry isa. Ayan, ano kayang meron ngayon dito? May mga tinapay. Good morning!
Hi.
May mga tinapay. Oh. Kuha tayo patatas. Try natin tong madumi ngayon. Minsan lang tayo kumain ng maduming patatas.
No, they just. She apologized and say, "Oh, okay, I'm sorry, just because happened things." And they always, Abby and Ariel and Sophie was together. Always.
Buti may natira pang kiwi.
And they do things behind Sophie back. And why? Like they go to the
Kiwi
shops.
lang talaga gusto ko dito eh.
Why? And the last time they say, oh yeah, they on crowds, oh I have to go there and there. And one of the Sophie's friends said, I'm just so ordinary in the shops. So she called them and asked them, they keep the line and said, why you guys don't want to be my friend or forever, just say. And they say, we
Kuha tayo ng lime.
all this stuff by Sophie. She has, but she doesn't see anything.
Uy, may orange pa. Sorry. Ay, nalaglag pa. Sorry, is this free also?
It is, yeah.
Oh.
So, children, I don't know what happened there. I don't know what happened to Abby.
Open na kaya to? Feeling ko di pa naman bukas.
But
Kunin natin.
so well. Since Candy is so
Ay, nadaganan na yung mga gulay.
so many years.
Ano to?
Because that feels like it was just very sudden.
Yeah.
Like there was nothing, they were
Kunin na rin natin.
they just stopped eating up.
Yeah,
Pangkapihan.
Yeah, they were big niggles everywhere, yeah.
Oh yeah. And they, that's nice now they're gonna be together again when they together
Ito
in
yung
high
bell
school.
pepper, sobrang laki.
But she never is with Abby or don't gonna be with Abby because yeah, so people are different. You don't like things she does, and if she doesn't like some things she does,
Kuha tayo nito.
friends. And yeah, this is like everything.
Ang daming tinapay.
You go to the house, she went. And I said, listen, I understand that you don't like, but
Kuhaan natin yung nasa bahay.
you cannot say
Kuha tayo nito. Isa. Tsaka to. Thank you! Ayan. Medyo marami na yung tao na. Ayan, halos kumuha ako ng kiwi. Kasi gustong gusto ko talaga yung kiwi. Tapos kumuha ako nito. Hindi ko naman to kakainin. Nalagay ko lang dun sa may table. Tsaka yung bread na kinuha ko. So, ayan, naglalakad na ako pa uwi lang. Sobrang ingay ng mga eroplano dito. Ano? Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda yung view dito lang. Ayan o. Halos mga ibon lang yung maririnig mo. So, ayan love. Makauwi na tayo. Grabe, ang bigat. Lagay lang natin yung bread sa table. Ayan. Tsaka to. Medyo maraming kalat dito sa bahay kasi nandito yung yung anak ni Ate Apple. Kaya maraming mga laruan pang bata. Ayan. Lagyan natin dyan. Tapos, try ko ngang inumin yung nakuha kong soft drinks. Ibibigay ko kasi to kay Sen kasi siya lang naman yung mahilig sa soft drinks. Pero bago yun, check ko muna yung niluluto ko. Iniwan ko kasi to eh. Ayan. Niluluto ako ng bulalo. Ayan. Malambot na. So, try na natin uminom nito. Tingnan muna natin yung best before date niya. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Hala, nung July, 20? Ayan July 20. Pero feeling ko pwede pa naman to. Ayan Hindi pa naman siya na-open. So, try ko nga tikman. Ayan, di pa ako nag-aalmusal pero try natin. Lemon yung niya. Yung name. No artificial colors and flavors. So, konti lang. May spirito pa naman. So, matamis ka na. Di ako mahilig sa matamis. Bibili ko to kay Sunny. Actually, para sa kanya talaga to. Kaya ko to kinuha. Tapos, may nakuha akong ganito. Bago pa. Ayan. Pwedeng pagkapian siguro to. Travel cup daw. So, pwede siya sa hot and cold. Ayan. Cold and hot. Cold, 5 hours. Hot, 4 hours. So, ayan. And then, yung pinakagusto ko talaga sa kinuha ko is yung kiwi. Yung mga kiwi. Mahilig talaga ako sa kiwi. Nag-try na ako mag-fruit picking nito. Pero, eto, ang weird. Sobrang dumi niya. Actually, hindi nagbebenta yung Australia ng madumi na ganito. Pero feeling ko, bagong pitas lang to. Kaya kinuha ko. 'Di ba? Feeling ko lang bagong pitas. Kasi madumi pa. Kaya yun yung kinuha ko. Kumuha rin ako neto. Tsaka, sobrang laking bell pepper. Ayan o. Ang laki. Tsaka lemon and lemon lime and tsaka ito, kamatis. So, yun lang.